Hi, I'm Josh, and this is Cars and Joshy. Welcome to Cars and Joshy. It's a good day to start going ahead and putting this back together. So what I got going on is just cleaning up the valley cover. I'm going to pop out the grommet for the knock sensors. I got some new ones on the way, so I'll go ahead and show you. I mean, it's pretty easy. You just pop them out. Alright, well, I'm just waiting on my new grommets to come in now. Should be in today, I think, so I'll pop those in there and then I'll bolt this back on. Back in the garage this morning, I don't have my grommets or my gasket yet for this, so what I'm going to do this morning is go ahead and pull the front cover, pull the oil pump off, and try to go ahead and modify that for better flow, and gonna go ahead and shim the spring in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that off. There's a dot on one side of this that was facing up, so that's how I'm going to keep it facing. So what I'm going to be working on is that lip right here. I'm going to be working on blending that lip down and smoothing that out so there's no sharp edges. See, there's sharp edges right there. So I'm going to smooth that out on that side and on the outlet side here, where you can see there's a sharp edges there. Basically what I'm going to do is blend those to make it flow better. And I'm going to go ahead and remove the spring and use a washer to shim it, and that's supposed to be good for an extra like 5 psi of pressure. So I'm gonna get that out and shim that. Kind of milky. I've got no machinist hands. I'm not super steady, but you can see that lip is gone now. And it's blended in. Kind of the same on that side. It's not as sharp as it was. I couldn't really get anything to flatten that out. But it's a lot less than what it was, so I think it'll be all right. The only thing that I'm concerned about, I don't know if it's gonna make a difference or not, is I hit this edge a little bit with my Dremel tool. So you can see it's a little scuff there. So if you're gonna do this yourself, just be careful, pay attention to that area, unlike me. So, and a little bit over here too. Get some of those long burr bits and use those. That'll probably be a little bit better. So anyways, that's how I'm gonna leave it. So this little nut was right at 115 thousandths, 120 thousandths of an inch. I'm gonna try and sand it down to 100 thousandths. I watched a good video about why, and I'll link that in the description. But I'm gonna try and take it down a little bit, and then I'm gonna place it in the plug right here for the spring. I think we're gonna call that good. Supposed to have blue Loctite for this. It's on there. These are supposed to be 106 inch-pounds, but I don't have an inch-pound torque wrench, so I just converted it to foot-pounds, which was about 8.8. So I set this right around 8, just under 9 foot-pounds, and we'll see if we can get it torqued down. It's ready to go back on the engine. My valley cover gasket and grommets came in, so I'm going to go ahead and install those grommets and get this valley cover put on. I torqued those to 18 foot-pound. Moving on. I'm not gonna spray carb cleaner or anything like that on these rubber grommets, but I am gonna find something to clean them up with. 10-year-old Armor All wipes, but they're actually working. That one looks like it was in the hole where water commonly gets in, so I think I got another set of these from the 5.3 that I pulled a while back, so I'm gonna look for those, see if I got another one that looks brand new like this. Aha, that's brand new. This one looks corroded as shit. So I'm definitely gonna be doing the little silicone dam right before the knock sensors to try and prevent this from happening. They might still be good, but I doubt it. I'm not even gonna test them. I'm just gonna test the ones that look new. If they fail, then I'll test these. 100 kilo ohms, that's in spec. Same thing, both of these ohmed out, okay. Oh, I need to put it on AC, DC, AC, here we go. Yeah, all right, that's reading. That's how you test knock sensor. $15 foot-pounds on those. Oops. Plug goes towards the back, not the front. On those knock sensors that were corroded, what happens is you get any moisture or water up in here, it leaks down towards the back. It always gets in this back one is the one that's usually corroded. So the way to prevent that is to run a silicone bead to act as a dam to keep the water from getting into your knock sensor. Let's take a closer look. So essentially, if any water gets in here, it'll either divert it to one of these channels here. If it gets over here, same thing here. If it gets over here, not really worried about it. That's basically all you do to solve that problem. Alright, well, I think that's all I'm going to be able to do for now. I wanted to do the timing chain and the gears, but I gotta wait on parts for those, and I wanted to do the cam swap, but I'm still waiting on the assembly lube for it. That'll be next video. Please like, subscribe, keep watching Cars and Joshy. Josh out.